Hi friends, I am Stanley Thomas. We are going to learn about Microsoft Excel. The name of this program is Learn Excel to Become Excellent. I have classified the total learning structure of Microsoft Excel into 5 main chapters. 1. Overview and basic concepts of Excel. 2. Presentation and MIS reporting. 3. Basic and commonly used formulas. 4. Advanced Excel formulas. And the last one, macros and programming. Let's learn about the first chapter, that is overview and basic concept of Microsoft Excel. There are two videos for chapter 1, part 1 and part 2. In part 1, we will see some basic terms which are required for the daily functioning of Microsoft Excel. And in part 2, we will detailedly explain the commands included in tab Home. An Excel file or workbook consists of different spreadsheets. Each spreadsheet consists of different cells. Cell is a place where we do the basic data entry. See, this one is the first cell. This one is the second cell. And this is the third cell, like that. There are different cells. Each cell has a cell address. Cell address we can see from the name box. This is the name box. When we click on each cell, we can see the address of that cell in the name box. See, while I clicked on this cell, the address is showing us A1. Now B1, now C1, now A2. This is the address of this cell. For creating a new file, click on the file button which is on the top left side. Click on new. There we can see existing templates and blank workbooks. These are all existing templates. I'm clicking on a blank workbook. Shortcut for creating a new workbook is Control N. For opening an existing workbook, click on the same tab and click Open. We can browse the desired file from its locations. Shortcut for opening an existing workbook is Control O. Workbook is also called as file. You can save the file using the same tab, File, Save. We can give any name, file sample. We can save the file in any type like it is mentioned here. I'm saving it the file Excel workbook. Save. Shortcut for saving the file is Control S. You can save the file with a different name using the command file save as. Here it will be asked for location and type. We can select any type. I am using another file name, that is file sample 2. And that file will be saved in the name of file sample 2. Let's define the term column. Column is a group of all cells in a vertical series. This is a column. This is another column. This is another column. These are all different columns. Then row is a group of all cells in a horizontal series. This is a row. This is another row. These are all different rows. Then the term range. Range is a group of more than one cells. This is a range. This is another range. This is one more range. These are all ranges. Let's define the term ribbon. Ribbon is the field contains tabs and icons at the top of Excel. It contains tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, and Help. There are some more tabs which are available in Microsoft Excel. Those tabs can be activated by clicking the File button. There we can see options. Here we can customize the ribbon. Details about this we'll learn later. In this video, I have explained some of the basic terms which is useful for our daily functions. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please drop a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for regular updates.